Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Hegra today. It's one of the most famous spots here in AlUla. We have this vintage Land Rovers Defenders right behind me, and we're gonna hop on one of them or one of the buses. They're gonna take us to the one of the main rocks formations here in Hegra, and it's gonna be a long day. We have a lot of things ahead of us that we're gonna be doing. Them boys are over there grabbing some coffee, and we're gonna get the day started. Let's get it. And do not forget to subscribe. Let's go.
Second capital city, and we are talking about over 2,000 years ago. So we are start discovering in whole the area here in Al Ambat from 2002.
Guys, this is our first stop, where you can see all the tombs that she was talking about. It's pretty sick how they built the tombs inside the rocks. Just kind of interesting, you know. All right, guys, here we have the main door, the main tomb of Hegra. This is the one that you see in all the pictures, all the videos. This is it. It's pretty big. Looks bigger on picture though. And we have our main guy here talking about it. Let me see what he says.
Now we are standing at Al-Farid. Al-Farid, it's an Arabic word, means unique. Why is it unique? It's the only tomb that it has its own mountain. And that gives us an idea about the owner of the tomb here. The Nabatean used to believe in the afterlife, so in their culture, they had simple houses, but they make huge and very expensive tombs. So if you see more details in the tomb and high, it gives you an idea that this person very politically very important or a wealthy one.
That tomb transition, I bet you're gonna use that shit. The homeboy's gonna use that shit for sure, bro.
Guys, these tombs are amazing, man. When I die, put me in one of this. Call it Mr. Full Time.
Yo, can I get a photo here?
The boys getting that shot.
Them boys don't even know.
Yo, Mark, can I get a photo just like that? Come back here. Before these guys come over.
AlUla raw right here.
Mark, can you get a shot like just like this?
Yeah.
Bro,
All right, guys.
These are the shots we needed.
We stopped in the middle of the road where our homeboy hooked us up with a secret location where obviously there's not many people here. Just say nobody. And this rock formation is all over the place. We can definitely get some crazy shots here. And check it out, guys. This is insane. Wow. This is nuts. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, people drive their cars around here. A lot of sand. It's getting hot. But when you're in the shadows, cold. So it's a mix of weather. Let me see what we have in the other part of the hill. Wow. People definitely gather here and do lunch, dinners. A lot of trash. I don't know. Wow. Yeah, dude. There's trash and garbage here. That's weird. Well, I'm gonna stay in this.
I need an SD card for my bag.
Oh!
Well, you're in the block, buddy.
Oh!
Yo, we're gonna get the shots we need, boys. We definitely don't want to be caught though.
Dude, they don't give a fuck here.
Hopefully, homeboy doesn't run away. Yo.
Hopefully somebody don't call them
The boys hiking.
Sure, the boy's climbing.
We're gonna hike, boys. Guys, we're gonna hike to the top of this rock right here. And it's pretty easy to climb. You hurt.
We made it.
Damn, crazy views, huh?
Crazy views. So you gotta be careful with the wires. There's a lot of wires. Alright, that guy's clearly shitting himself down there, guys. So
Unsubscribe to his channel. He doesn't deserve your subs.
damn, bro, this is sick.
Wow. And we keep going through this mountain, this rock formation. It's insane, guys. Wow. Check it out. I don't know if I'm gonna fit through there or not to get to the other side. I guess we're gonna have to go through here.
You can probably buy a kit lens, and then in the future, maybe if he likes it and you keep doing it, you can buy more lenses. You know, then the lens will be $300-400. The cheaper ones. That's tight.
Oh, guys, I was not expecting this. You can have a nice coffee here, some nice tea, and chill for a bit.
This is where we need some pictures for sure.
All right, guys, we got the big camels. We got some white camels here in Saudi, here in AlUla. Guys, literally driving the highway, and we have with these camels right here. We're gonna get close. Hopefully they don't get upset. Usually camels don't like people. Oops, they saw me. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it to Elephant Rock, right behind me, like you guys can see. And guys, let me tell you, this is a vibe. Georgie?
Yo, this is a vibe. Everyone's chilling here. They got a restaurant here. They got shisha. They got
Shisha. We're probably gonna smoke some shisha and chill here at the Elephant Road. Check it out, guys. What a vibe. What a vibe. What a vibe. Wow.
Alright, guys, go from the last place. Now, my GoPro's still dead, by the way, so sorry for dropping the radio call.
Guys, if you come to AlUla in Saudi, it's a must that you guys come to this Elephant Rock. It's one of the most famous tourism places here in Saudi. Not that many people, by the way. It's a Wednesday, so it's pretty chill. People are chilling in this tables, and I guess we're gonna go try to find a good place to stay and watch the sunset. Gonna be amazing. Probably one of our favorite sunsets from the trip so far. All right, guys.
Not a lot of opportunity.
We got the shisha going on.
My neighbor,
Sunset.
my
Good times. Good friends. Good vibes. Literally, they stopped the music so I can talk. That's perfect. And we got the big boy behind us. Guys, I'm gonna finish the vlog here. It's been a long day for us. This is gonna be a long vlog, probably 15-20 minutes vlog. So George, I'm finishing up the vlog. Say some words to our subscribers.
Oh, it's been a long day, and tomorrow's gonna be even longer. 6 o'clock on the dot,
Guys, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. I'm vlogging everything, literally posting as much as I can. Every day, every 2 days. You guys seen it. Crazy thumbnails, crazy titles. Guys, we're chilling. We're here with the boys, and peace out.